That's it. Got it.
Okay, relax and breathe. Oh yeah.
What is going on, guys and girls? Welcome back to the Crack Addicts YouTube channel, home to chiropractic media. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do. If you do enjoy chiropractic content like this, before we get into the video, if you want to skip the commentary, go straight to 1 minute and the video will roll out from there. Anyway, getting into today's video, guys and girls, we've got another big chiropractic adjustment compilation. If you want to check out any of the chiropractors, their links will be in the description where you can get in contact with them. If you want to book appointments or go and get treatment done from them, that's how you can do that. If you didn't check out yesterday's video, I'll have a link to that in the description where you can check it out. It got a very good response, and I'll throw it up on the screen now so you can see where it is. Make sure you leave a comment in this video. I want to see loads of comments. I want to see your reactions to the video. If you enjoy it, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll let the footage roll now, and I'll see you on the next one.
Oh my God. Oh, that felt amazing.
Drop your head. Wow, and there's another one deep here, I think. So I'm going to pull. There's one more. Big breath in and blow it out. Good. Now I'm going to have you lie on your back, something like this. Put your face all the way to this side. All the way to this side. Good. Now lie on your side facing me. You're going to adjust right in here. Got it. How's that one? Good. Now come all the way to this side. Hold on here. Got it. Lie on your back. Legs out straight. And adjust into the ankle.
Okay.
Wow. All right, right in there, everyone. Watch this. Got it. Good. It's a little bitty one. Did you hear it?
Yeah, I did.
Didn't make a loud one, but didn't you hear one?
Yeah, it did.
This one's going to be louder because this is where you have all the pressure.
Yep. Yeah.
Scoot down this way just a little bit. A little more. Got it. Those are all good. And blow it out. It still feels tight in here. Okay. Lie on your side facing me about here. So move a little closer. Leg go straight. Straight, straight, straight. Right there. Hold on tight.
Okay, sorry.
Got it. That's it. Got it. Wow. Got it.
Sag down in there with gravity. You can put your hands right there. Okay, relax and breathe. Oh yeah. Yep. Okay, come back over here on this table. I know that was deep. Okay, see there? Yeah, crack at it. Gonna love you too. There we go. Now, as I adjust the entire, okay, just relax your hands on your tummy there. There you go. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your pelvis.
Yes, sir.
Now see, even this is something that I do, which decompresses him from the lower end. That's it. Yes, sir. Should have felt that all the way up in your lower back.
Yes.
We don't have miracle cures in here. Just breathe through your nose normal. No! Yes, sir, felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
That's why I call it ring dinger.
Keep breathing.
Yeah. See, Renee's taking my lines now. Now looky there. Look how much more that moved. Did that feel greater to you?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Did it look better? Okay, drop your head in my hand. There you go. This is a Palmer Diversified Master Rotary Brake. There you go. Yes, sir.
So that was really cool.
Right here in the hole, please. There you go. That still wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad.
Face down.
Yay.
Nice. T4, T12. How's mama?
Ooh.
Nice. There you go. A little more. There you go.
Straight P to A and I to S. Inferior, superior. Yep. Yeah, I'm not done yet. There you go. Better. Okay.
Oh, that felt great.
Is your AC joints are a little misaligned. Okay. There you go. You're gonna have to get you some heels like Rachel.
You know.
Instead of wearing those flat tennis shoes. There you go. Okay. Now let's hit you up face towards Rachel. Yeah, but get some boots or some shoes that have heels on them. I'm being serious about that. For
Yeah.
your back. Yes, sir. There you go. And this one doesn't have a lot of crevices in it. That's a good thing. Still off a little. Yep. Okay, good. Yeah, we don't have a lot of men that can say that in here. That their waist is small. There you go. Now, that moved a lot right to your occiput atlas. Did you feel that separation up
I
there?
felt that through my butt.
All the way down. Yeah, I know you did. Yeah.
What in the world?
This is better than a sharp stick in the eye, though, huh? Good. Look at that. One more. There you go. How did I know that?
Golly. That's special.
Yeah, it is. 4. There's L3. L2. There we go. Atta girl. Crackhead's gonna love you.
That was crazy.
There we go.
You do it like you do it
Oh,
for a
pro.
long
That's
time,
right. Let's
yeah.
turn you on your back. On your tummy. Let me have this leg. Atta girl. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up into your lower back. Did you? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Same thing there. Good. Okay, slide back up that way a little bit. Now she's had some. Okay. That's my job. I mean, yeah. It's kind of a natural tendency to want to tense up when I'm adjusting some of these joints, but you try just to let them go and breathe. There you go. Close your eyes and think of La La Land or something. See how much better that did?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I know these wrists have been bothering you, sis, so I'm gonna try to get there, but right there. And just breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Oh yeah.
Whew.
That's why we call it ring dinger. You got that all the way down, didn't you? Yeah. You're still kicking that. You're right.
That was wild.
Yes, ma'am. You're gonna feel a little taller here in a few seconds. Look at you. You're fine right there. Yeah, you're good.
Sorry.
It's all right. Okay. That's it. She's still got some work to do on her spine. She's still lost the lumbar curve. You mind if I lift your shirt up?
No, I don't mind.
Okay. See, she's supposed to have a nice, smooth, forward lordosis here in her lumbar spine, and hers is still flattened out from the muscle splinting that's going on. There we go. Felt those, didn't you?
Yes.
Atta girl. Good job. Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Oh.
That's it.
Okay.
Relax. Let your leg go. There you go. See, it wasn't so bad. Didn't hurt me a bit.
Oh.
That's better than a sharp stick in the eye, wasn't it? Yes, sir. That's why we call it ring dinger. That's perfect. Doesn't get any better than that, Israel. Good job. Good job. Okay, relax. Let these go. Let your shoulders go. That's better. Yes, sir. Okay, got your hands on your tummy for me, Israel. Actually, human dissection class at Palmer College of Chiropractic was one of my favorite courses of the lab.